Hello, and welcome to Section 3. Build a threat model, learn about different attacks on AI. In the previous section, we had a practical experience with just one attack against machine learning models. In this section, we will dive deeper into the threats, understand why someone would hack AI solutions, and how our protection measures should differ for various types of AI solutions. Most common AI solutions on the market and their threats. To understand how to protect AI solutions, first of all, we need to know who can use those solutions and where. Afterwards, we are able to discover what are the risks for those solutions and how exactly they can be hacked for profit. AI is steadily flooding our world and seeping into hidden verticals in most unexpected industries. Numerous business processes have been automated, and robots are making more and more decisions right now. In addition, the number of places whose technologies are related to cybersecurity is increasing. Earlier, hackers could steal your data from your computer or drain your bank accounts, but today they have a chance to impact every move you make. The complete automation of transport, communication, food, and healthcare industries is already there. Unfortunately, those mission-critical solutions are vulnerable to different cyber attacks, like traditional software. In fact, cyber attackers can already create different problems and create chaos in vulnerable AI system. Let's take a glance at possible kinds of troubles and reasons why someone would try to hack AI system, and particularly the machine learning algorithms. Let's start with transportation, the industry which is the most actively transforming. A lot of research projects and experiments prove that tricking autonomous cars is real. One of the major tasks for autonomous cars is image classification, such as identification of road signs. It's obvious that figuring out how to spoof a road sign recognition system can lead to horrible accidents. By the beginning of 2019, more than 100 research papers have been published. They show various ways to attack image recognition system. Some practical examples prove that it's possible to put a tiny sticker on a road sign so that the system will take it as another sign. Another industry which is worth mentioning is cybersecurity. Experts introduce machine learning algorithms into various domains, from prediction to prevention and from detection to response. One of the oldest areas where machine learning emerged is spam filtering. If algorithms are not properly designed, attackers can bypass them, and sometimes it's even easier than bypassing an old signature-based spam filters. Studies of bypassing spam filters amount to tens, and their number is still growing. Bypassing AI-based malware detection systems is yet another area. In the retail industry, one of the examples of AI solutions is face recognition systems. Facial recognition can be central to new access control solutions, recognizing behavior of retail clients and optimizing business processes. Many office buildings now have adopted facial authentication systems. There are even new ATMs using facial recognition as an addition to other security measures. No doubt, it's important to assure that facial recognition system is absolutely protected. Face recognition system attacks reassemble the ways used in image classification systems, but have their own features. Now, more than 10 different research papers reveal how to bypass facial recognition systems, for example, with help of special glasses or makeup. From business to customers, let's look at the smart home industry. What if your Amazon Echo recognizes some noise as a comment? Different studies assume that it's quite possible to add minimal and doable noises to somebody's voice on YouTube so that this voice is recognized as certain instructions. As a result, the voice assistant can execute arbitrary commands and can be hacked. Web and social networks are also at risk. Researchers demonstrate an approach to misclassify a system that automatically gives a rating for comments and posts in social media. Turns out that it's possible to write a negative and offensive comment and it will be perceived as positive. A minor change in one word of a sentence can make a system misinterpret the true value of a comment. Finally, a financial industry. As mentioned in the malware attacks, more and more cybersecurity solutions, such as fraud detection systems, threat detection systems, and user behavior solutions, use machine learning techniques to better detect cyber attacks. Unlikely, hackers can manipulate those systems as well, according to a number of recent research papers. It's hardly a complete list, though. The implementation of the mentioned systems is likely to happen very soon. If it seems far-fetched, I can assert that people don't see a wave of real attacks now just because the use of AI solutions in the industries we've just considered are not so widespread. But when the moment comes, malefactors will take advantage of existing vulnerabilities like it was in every new technology for the last 15 years of my practical cybersecurity experience. So I urge you to take care of your solution security right now before it becomes too late.